Hey folks, Internet Dude here. Hey, it's December 2024 and I've had a number of recent questions about the wiring on my old 1977 Lennox furnace. The furnace is still running flawlessly, but let me take the covers off and I'll answer your questions about the wiring. One thing update I've done since the previous videos was I put this little piece of mechanic wire across here to here and put it in those little holes, because what was happening is this one was moving around and you could visually see it back there where the things were across. Anyway, so putting that there and applying some tension, everything stays nice and tight. So the first wiring question, somebody was asking about those two blue wires that go down here and they go down into there. Now there's actually 3 blue wires in total. Don't worry, the power's off. There's 3 blue wires in total, but 2 of them are connected to these spade terminals back here, and this other one goes up to the thermostat. So those 2 wires there, if you follow them down, they come through and go to this device. So the second question is, how is the thermostat wired? So if we see, here's the thermostat wiring coming in here through the side, and we have 3 wires that it's using, which is the black and the red and the blue. So the blue is going to the terminal that is marked TH, and the black one's going to the terminal marked TH, and then the red one goes to this back terminal, and it's marked, let's see, TR, okay? So blue, black, red. And up here at the thermostat, I'll just take it off the wall so I can see. So with my thermostat, it just pulls straight off. You can see there's corresponding pins. But if we take a closer look here, we can see that the white wire is labeled W and goes to the W terminal. And the black wire is labeled C and goes to the C terminal, which is the common wire. And the red wire is marked R and it goes to the R terminal. So I hope that answers your questions regarding the wiring on this 1977 Lennox furnace. As I said, it hasn't given me any issues and we're right in the main heating season here. If you do have any more questions or comments regarding this furnace, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching.